guys, it's Annika. Welcome to my Chonica. So today I'm going to be doing a night routine, and I know that this is the same like outfit and the same fucking makeup that I was wearing in my last video, but that's because I'm filming them on the same day because I am trash. But today I decided that I was going to do a night routine. A lot of you guys have been asking me if I could do this, so I'm going to like play music. I don't know if I'm gonna do voiceovers, probably not, so I'm just gonna play music and go through my night routine, and I'm also gonna go through my skincare routine. So if you're interested in that, I will put a timestamp right here of when I do my skincare, so yeah. You thought.
Listening to specifics.